Hi children, today we have an interesting story for you. The Cat and the Rat's Daring Adventure. Once upon a time, in a cozy little village, a mischievous cat named Whiskers and a clever rat named Squeaky found themselves on an unexpected adventure. Whiskers, with her big emerald eyes and luxurious grey fur, loved exploring hidden nooks and crannies. Squeaky, with his twitchy pink tail and beady black eyes, was always keen on discovering new treasures. One sunny day, as they strolled through the vibrant meadow, Whiskers and Squeaky stumbled upon a beautiful golden key, sparkling under the warm rays of the sun. Excitement filled their hearts. Whiskers and Squeaky began to search for the hidden treasure the magical key might unlock. As they explored the forest, they encountered numerous obstacles but cleverly navigated each one together. Whiskers squeaked Squeaky. Do you think it could be a treasure chest full of yummies? Or maybe even a secret passage to a land of wonders? Finally, they reached a majestic old oak tree. With trembling paws and curious hearts, they inserted the golden key into a small rusted lock. The tree rumbled, and a hidden door creaked open, revealing a dazzling world of jewels and mischievous scrolls. Isn't it interesting story? Okay children, bye-bye. Subscribe our channel for more interesting stories like that. Thank you.